In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows using command prompt. We'll start by getting Node.js on your computer. Head to the official Node.js website in your browser. On the homepage, click Download, then choose the Windows Installer option. When the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the prompts to complete the installation. The default options are fine for most users, and the process only takes a couple of minutes. Next, go to the Claude website. Navigate to the Claude Code section, then open the Advanced Installation page. Scroll down until you find the Standard Installation area. You'll see a command there that installs the Claude command line tool. Copy that command so it's ready to paste in a moment. Now let's confirm that Node.js is set up correctly. Open the Windows search bar and look for command prompt, then open it. Type node sarv and press enter. You should see a version number displayed, which confirms Node.js is installed and working. With that confirmed, right here in the same command prompt window, paste the command you copied from the standard installation section on the Claude Code page and press enter. This will download and install the Claude CLI. Give it a moment to finish. After the installation completes, open File Explorer, create a new folder by right-clicking in a convenient location and selecting New Folder. Rename it to something meaningful so you can find it easily later. Open that folder. At the top of the File Explorer window, click the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt that's already set to your new folder's path, which is handy for organizing your work. In this new command prompt window, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted to allow or continue, choose yes and proceed. Then type #login and press enter. This will guide you through signing in. To use Claude Code beyond the initial setup, you'll need an active subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that process, so the CLI can authenticate and work properly. That's it. You've downloaded Node.js, confirmed the installation, installed the Claude CLI from the standard installation instructions, set up a dedicated working folder, and launched and authenticated the tool. If anything doesn't appear right away in command prompt, closing and reopening the window often helps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding with Claude.